morning friends. Today we will discuss about types of coupling. Okay, in multi-stage amplifier or BJT based amplifier, we can see that in a cascading of amplifiers, one amplifier is connected to another amplifier. This is called as through coupling, and this coupling is distributed in three types. Okay, so we one by one we explain these three types of coupling. Okay, so these are three types of coupling: RC coupling, transformer coupling, and direct coupling. Okay, in exams they ask types of coupling: RC coupling, transformer coupling, and direct coupling. These three couplings are very important. Okay, so one amplifier is connected to another amplifier A2, A1 is connected to A2 up to nth. Okay, so this connection is have categorized in three types. Okay, RC coupling, transformer coupling, direct coupling. In interviews or viva, they ask what is coupling, so you give the simple answer. Okay, then in this lecture we can identify, we can check what is the difference between these three couplings. So the differentiation is very important, because of by using this differentiation we can easily identify what are the differences, what are the features are add in one parameter is not add in second parameter or a second type. Okay, so in RC coupling, in RC coupling in RC coupling, coupling element is R and C. In transformer coupling, coupling element is transformer. Direct coupling, there is no element available. First stage, first stage is directly connected to second stage. No any, no any coupling element is available. Okay, in direct coupling. Okay, second type of couple signal, RC coupling, AC couple, only AC, and direct coupling DC and AC. Okay, couple signal, capacitor, you know about capacitor पास AC ब्लॉक DC. ओके, कॅपॅसिटर काय करतो, AC ला पास करतो, DC ला काय करतो, ब्लॉक करतो. ओके, तो त्याचप्रमाणे इन दिस लाईकवाईज RC coupling only pass AC, transformer coupling only pass AC, but direct coupling pass AC and as well as DC. Okay, AC as well as DC. Next is ability to block DC, DC block, DC block, DC block. All these DC signal are blocked by using all this coupling. Next point is impedance matching. Okay, impedance matching means input input impedance and output impedance is perfectly matched. Input impedance and output impedance is perfectly matched. If this input impedance output impedance is perfectly matched, then only input signal is go through or is go to output without any disturbance. That is maximum power transfer. This is called as maximum power transfer. In your electrical engineering subject, you can see what is maximum power transfer and what is impedance. Impedance, you know, resistor, the impedance is Z denoted by 1 by R. Okay, impedance is 1 by R. The unit of impedance is Mohm. The unit of impedance is Ohm. Resistance unit Ohm, impedance unit Mohm. Okay, so you can easily identify that impedance is a total resistance in a circuit, and resistance is a particular resistance in a branch. Okay, so impedance is a particular resistance in a circuit. Okay, then frequency response, the frequency response of RC couple is drop off, transform coupling not uniform, and direct coupling improve. In next lecture we can share their characteristics, so you can this point you easily identify from that. Okay, then DC amplification, the DC amplification is not provided because DC block not possible, not possible. But DC type of couple signal AC and DC, so in that case DC amplification is possible. Amplification means DC signal amplification. Okay, means improvement possible in direct coupling also. Drift, absent present. Drift means uh, cascading provided some elements, cascading subording from some element. In RC coupling, RC elements are available, transformer coupling RC element are available, but drifting in direct coupling is present because direct wire is connected. In RC coupling, drifting not available. In transformer coupling, drifting not available, but in direct coupling drifting are available. Drifting means direct connection of wires through input to output. Okay, next is application. A direct RC coupling used in EF amplifier, transformer coupling used in power amplifier, and direct coupling used in whenever DC amplification is needed. Okay, I can share the diagram of this amplification. Okay, firstly, this is single stage direct coupling. You can see that no any elements are available. This connection is direct. Input first stage direct connected to second stage without any element. So this is called as single two stage direct coupling amplifier. Another is two stage transformer coupling amplifier. In this amplifier only transformer are used for coupling of signal. Okay, and then is two stage RC couple amplifier. These are these are and C, these are RC RC. So it is called a RC coupling amplifier. This working is similar as BJT multi-stage amplifier we discussed in previous lecture. Okay, so this all about the types of coupling. Thank you for watching this lecture.